I did not agree sa election sa barangay. Kinausap ko si Coco, pati si Speaker, pati sila, Rudy, lahat mga congressman. Huwag kayong magkamali. Because ang status ngayon ng barangay captain, ni Hinoha, wala. There's no such thing as a holdover. It is not provided in the Constitution. But because, sabi ko, huwag mag-eleksyon ngayon. Bakit? Maghanap na lang kayo ng paraan. Ako, I am agreeable to just putting them in place, appointment, and we can accredit all civic organizations, pati simbahan, to recommend to come up with a 3 or 2, 3. Tapos i-appoint upon the recommendation para automatic na lang. Whoever is the appointing authority, probably it's the president, wala tayong piliin. So it's going to pass a grid somewhere there. Na, kasi kung mag-election tayo, ang mananalo ang drug lords, pati the 40% of our barangay captains who are contaminated and about almost 600 municipal mayors. Drug money will rule the day at you put in peril the coming elections ngayong local pati. Pag nandyan ng lahat, and the other positions or victory to sa mga tao na ito, alam mo ang Pilipino yung utang na loob. Sa mga leader ko yan, doon nagkalitsi-litsi. Kaya ako nagalit. Kaya sabi ko sa mga mayor, I give you 24 hours, papatayin ko kayo pag hindi kayo nag-surrender. Because they strapped around 5 army, 5 pulis. Kaya yung mga pulis na magtrabaho, mahirap to. Bata na. O ngayon, ako ang nanalo. Sino man magtawag sa akin na ipatransfer mo yan, puputahin kita. Wala akong utang na loob niya. Yun lang, puro naman yung matitunong tao. Yung isa, mahal ko pa masyado. Hanggang ngayon, hindi nawala, ma'am. Anak daw. Televised ba yan, nasyonal yan? Biro lang ba dyan? Hindi ba yan totoo? So, it's dangerous actually. Because little did we realize it that 5 years ago, narco-politics was already in. See, and even the Secretary of Justice, pardon me, pero was at it. See how far it has reached. And the barangay captains, and the mayors. Kaya sabi yung Albera namatay, sinalvage raw, putang ina niya. What the hell I care, son of a bitch. How many lives did he destroy in the eastern part? Yung udikta na couple na pinatay. Ilang buhay sinira noon. Basta nabi ko, malakas masyado sa Iloilo. Ito, nakikinig ka. Magalit ka sa akin, wala ko magawa. Putang ina mo, kasali ka sa listahan. Kasi kayo, pag hindi kayo nandyan, alam mo ko, tinatawagan ninyo yung pulis, pati PDEA. Natawagan ninyo, inyong galingan, kasi gano'n. Di protector ka, nandiyan ka. And judges. Kita naman niyo sa listahan, totoo talaga lahat yun. You can